One morning in class, Ms. Joyce walked in with 3 ropes.
Today, we are learning about length.
She placed the ropes on the floor. The children gathered around.
We can compare things to see which is long, longer, and longest. Let's look carefully and compare these ropes.
Ada looked closely.
This rope is long.
Ben picked up another rope.
This one is longer.
Then Kenny picked up the last rope and said,
Wow! This one is the longest.
Ms. Joyce nodded.
Good job observing.
She lined the ropes side by side.
Class, repeat after me. Long, longer, longest.
Long, longer, longest.
Then the children searched around the classroom. Ben found 3 pencils.
Long, longer, longest.
Ada found 3 ribbons.
Long, longer, longest. Long, longer, longest.
They compared them together. Soon the whole class was laughing and shouting,
Long, longer, longest.
Learning lengths had become a fun classroom game.
Wonderful job today! We learned how to compare things by length using long, longer, and longest. Keep looking for things you can compare around you. Now let's sing our longest song together!
Look and you will see. Compare the ropes together, it's as easy as can be. Long, longer, longest. Let's compare today. Long, longer, longest. Hip, hip, hooray. Find a pencil, find a stick, find a ribbon too. Put them side by side and see which one's longest. Long, longer, longest. Let's compare today. Long, longer, learning while we play. Longer, longest. Now we know the way. Compare, compare together. Have a happy day.
Thanks for learning with me today. Now you know how to compare things using long, longer, and longest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Come along, it's time to play.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come along, it's time to play. Learning without us starts today. We'll read, we'll count, explore the earth. Discover the wonders, know your worth. Learning with Ada, so much to see. Books and numbers, adventures for you and me. Questions and answers, we'll understand. The world is ours, let's take a stand. Shapes and letters, stars in the sky. We'll dive into oceans, reach mountains high. From reading to math and science too. Ada's adventures are waiting for you. Learning with Ada, so much to see. Books and numbers, adventures for you and me. Questions and answers, we'll understand. The world is ours, let's take a stand. So grab your friends, the fun's begun. Learning with Ada is for everyone. With Ben, Kaima, and Kenny, we'll lead the way. Together we'll learn every single day.
Wow, so many apples. Let's count.